Okay, so here I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead hitting Facebook from every angle to make sure that they attend to you as fast as possible, because you see thousands of persons are sending Facebook messages, appeals to get their accounts reactivated. Okay, so what you want to do is go to facebook.com/business/help. All right, so what you do here is go to get started. You just scroll down. Now, depending on the time you are contacting them, you might not see all of this, but if you see this, go ahead, click on get started, and you want to click on ads, right? And scroll all the way down, and you're going to see chat with a representative. Now, depending on the time that you are contacting them, that you come on here, okay, you might not really see this. So the estimated waiting time is less than 2 minutes. So all you just have to do is click, all right, and then you have all of these generated. Just fill them with the subject. Don't act as if you've sent Facebook a message before, but you are starting afresh, right? So you want to, the idea is just hitting on Facebook to make sure you get a response as quick as possible. Now, the other part of it is you might get your account restricted. So this is the worst of it all. You have your account restricted, so you can no longer advertise on Facebook. So you cannot even say you want to have access or gain access to someone else's business manager to run your ads or your campaigns. At that point, it becomes really bad. All right, so in such cases, what you could do is send the COO of Facebook, Sheryl Sandberg, a message. All right, here is an email. I'm going to be attaching this file below this video. All right, so there is a template that you need to customize depending on your needs, what you are actually complaining about. All right, so here is a template. All you need to send to Sheryl. All right, so below this video you'll find a download button to this file containing the template that you need to use to draft your email to her. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you get your accounts back and get back to promoting your products again. So I wish you the best. Right, bye.